is very thanks for congratulations for your training.
Thank you so much.
How you were feeling before workshop?
So before workshop, as a commerce student, we are able to know like what is the marketing and production and everything, sir. So we didn't even know what is exactly being happening in the IT sectors. So after attending the workshop, I come to know what is exactly being happening behind the like an application and all. So it is a nice experience with the workshop, and yes, sir, it is good.
Could you please share your experience after workshop?
So after the workshop, I can strongly say that I can go to the any IT sector. I can easily like select over there, because these kind of interviews are very helpful to us in order to like attend the another interviews over in the real time.
Which type of knowledge are you gaining from the workshop?
So from the workshop, I learned that what is meant by coding and how many roles are being playing in the IT sectors, and what types of process they are following in order to like build in a code. So these are all things we have learned within 7 days, which is a nice experience in this workshops.
Yeah, from our Techqflow software team, how they can help you? How they
So
support you?
the team members are very friendly with us, and over in the Techqflow solutions, it is very friendly environment over here. And if you are having any doubts also, if you ask twice and thrice, they are very patientful persons over here. They have been explained a lot with the good patience.
Yeah, could you please share your experience with the audience and your friends?
Yes, I recommend my all my dear friends who have been seeing this video, kindly join in the workshop which is being conducting by the Techqflow Software Solutions. They are very good, friendly nature people. They are easily approachable as well. So if you people can join over here, you may get like good knowledge about the IT sectors, and you people can get some of the confidence whoever or like not confidence for themselves. They become very confident over here by getting training from the Techqflow solutions like workshop.
Yeah, how much of rating can you give for that?
So I rate the Techqflow software solutions 5 out of 5 rating.